Hi there guys, welcome back to the shop for episode 58 on Project Archi, where today we're going to be installing the J5 idler tension block in your big, well, in the big J5 assembly. This is your J5 idler tension block, and we're going to be putting it right here. It fits, but perfectly, like it just fits. And we're going to want this to be able to slide back and forth, so you're going to need a pair of M3 by 8 socket head cap screws. Now I don't have the exact bolts that are supposed to fit this, but I've checked and these bolts are just fine. These particular bolts that I have are M3 by 6. They're long enough to do the job with room to spare, so they're going to be just fine. So to do this, we're going to slide that right in there. You're going to need a 2.5 millimeter Allen driver. These are all brand new machined threaded holes, so sometimes there's a little burr on them or a little bit of flash. And put that one in, and we're putting these down just barely down, just fingertip pressure till the wrench stops. That's it, because that's all you need at this stage. We'll be tightening those and tensioning things in the future, but for now you just want to make sure nothing falls out and rattles around. But that is perfect. Look at that. All right, that's it. It's a quick and easy one. You guys have fun. I'm Chris Bowden, and as always, I'll see you next time.